guys, this is Nidhhi Agerwal and I am the cover girl for Be Beautiful August 2020, which is also my birthday month. My beauty routine has changed a lot because of the lockdown.
Sorry, I don't have COVID, I promise you. I just sneezed.
So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you what I do every single day. And if you're new to the Be Beautiful channel, please subscribe and let's begin.
So I have finished washing my face with this dermatologist recommended face wash that I always use. So now let's use my vitamin C drops. You don't want to take too much, but vitamin C is extremely good for your skin. I have absolutely nothing on my face right now, guys. Like nothing. Just dab it. Because that's how you want to do it. You want to press it. Just wait for that to dry. Give it a minute. Now next up, moisturizer. I just take it on my hands. You know, I don't like using too many cotton pads and wipes because it's not degradable, so it's bad for the environment. So that's that. And I'm just gonna again, you know, put it on my skin. Put some on my neck. Put some on my hands, whatever's left over. Wait for that to dry. In the meantime, my favorite thing, my tools. Okay, so I have two. I find it easier where I just go ahead and do, you know, just roll it. It's already kind of cooled, so you take it outwards. You always pull it out. I like to use this whenever I get the time because it really makes me feel relaxed. Now you take the smaller side and you kind of just put it under your eyes, you know, and you even go over to your eyebrows. Now my next step will be something extremely important. This is a sunblock. It's SPF 40 that I use every day. It's a sunscreen gel. And I really like it because somehow whenever I apply this, my makeup also goes on better. That's how much I take. This is gel, so it kind of also gives your skin a good glow. Once it dries, it's gonna dry out to be matte. Now what I usually do is if you know, I have a day where I'm going to the gym or I am just stepping out to buy a few things, then I'll use some BB cream. I don't really need to. I'm thinking, should I not? Okay, let me just use a little bit. A little bit goes a long way when it comes to BB cream, honestly. So again, this I'm just going to mix it on my fingers. I'm not going to like dot it and put it. And I'm just going to touch it in a few places. And I have a lip balm with me. And this is my favorite part. So I have rose water in all sizes, in a lot of brands, in like different shapes that I can carry in my bag. I can leave at home. Like I have a bottle that's this huge, this is this tiny. So I'm gonna spray this rose water. Yes, I love rose water. Thanks for watching my skincare routine. So this is something that I pretty much do every day. Sometimes it goes more, it's more intensive, like I maybe do a pack or a mask or a scrub or something. But I feel like now that I'm at home, you know, I just need to hydrate myself and I'm good.
Please like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.